Hey guys, Hisham from Exodius here, and yet again we have another M2. This is, I think, our third or fourth M2 of this month. I don't know what it is, they're just like hotcakes. But this one has a bit of an interesting thing going on. So this is a 2024 M2. It's not a brand new one like the other three that we've had come in so far, and it's getting a full Track Pack PPF. So he came to us, he was like, hey guys, I've had this car for like 2 years now, and I've barely driven it, like once on the weekends, and I'm just scared to drive it. I want to get some PPF on there. So we're going to be doing PPF on the most crucial parts of the vehicle. We're also going to PPF his Maxon design body kit. Not all of it, we're not going to do the diffuser or the spoiler, but we are going to be doing the side skirts and the front lip slash splitter. So it's going to have some protection on it. It's not going to get chipped up, but even if it does get damaged, it's super easy to swap out. And you guys might be asking, Exodius, what PPF do you use? And by the way, my name's not Exodius, I'm just speaking on behalf of Exodius. But what PPF do you guys use? And we use Expel right there. We got the PPF set up for this car. We use Expel Ultimate Plus PPF for all of our PPF. We also use Expel for our window tint and our ceramic coatings. So in general, we are an Expel branded house. So we're only using the top quality materials to make your vehicle look the best. And they come with a 10-year warranty. So this car is going to be looking spotless for the next 10 years. And his other main concern was he was like, man, this thing gets so dirty, and it's coated too. This has a ceramic coating, but the pollen is still giving it issues. The dust, the dirt, it's just disgusting. The car is just getting super dirty. So he wanted us to take care of that, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So you can follow us through this. Is going to take us about the next 2 or 3 days. We're going to make sure we do this really good. We're going to prep up the M2, and then we're going to get started with the PPF. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back. M2's all finished up. If you remember in the previous part of this video, we were prepping up the vehicle for the full Track Pack PPF. Well, skip it. 2 days later, car's fully finished. I told you we work fast and we work great. So all edges wrapped, hood's done, bumpers done. Basically everything that a Track Pack includes is all fully finished, including the rockers and everything, partial roof, A-pillars. So all that's completed, and we just want to do a quick walkthrough, show you how shiny this thing looks. So this car already has a ceramic coating, which made it super slick, and it was super shiny, but the ceramic coating doesn't hide any of those swirls and scratches that end up building up over time. The PPF does, and this is going to self-heal those out as well. So this thing looks incredibly deep. The paint looks super good, and the ceramic coating is going to be protecting everything on the rear half of the vehicle, so it's all going to look super cohesive, super nice. We were even able to PPF Maxon design lip. This thing has the full body kit, side skirt, spoiler, lip, diffuser. So we got that PPF, super nice, super clean. That's protected. The vehicle's protected. You can see it already had a few rock chips on it here and there, which is to be expected because this car is 2 years old, but it only has a handful full miles. So I think it's gonna look super nice now that it's all finished up and on the road. So on to the next one. We have a couple more BMWs coming in soon. And if you're looking to get anything similar done to your BMW, your German car, whatever you have, please give us a call or fill out the form online and we'll be able to help you out. Thank you.